Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what's up and what's happening, guys? As y'all can see, it's your host with the most, Paul Cantu, live in this posh neighborhood with a brand new estate sale video. Now, I was Googling this morning trying to find some estate sales, and I saw one that had a Houston Rockets vintage snapback. Oh my God! And that's the house that I'm going to today. That's the only picture I saw that enticed me, that drew me in. I see a couple of my homies in line, so I might be a little bit late for the hat, but regardless, we're gonna see what I can dig up today in terms of vintage clothes, home decor, and maybe some things for my plants as well. Without further ado, let's get it.
Ready to rumble!
This is why we pulled up.
Because of this.
Look,
Sitting
only
right
thing
there.
in the picture, man. Houston Rockets, man. You already know what time it is. Championship hat. This is one of the first vintage snapbacks I ever found in my life. We're with Ace Hunt Vintage,
Yes,
live in the
sir.
closet, but pause though.
Look
Yeah.
at these bad boys, Paul.
Oh, I could make some planters out of them.
There
huh?
you go, man.
Nah, they're in pretty good condition. Someone will rock them things. Oh, look at this. Little Nike white tag, essential, deadliest catch windbreaker.
Swag.
Rock you mean? These are actually dumb clean. Yeah, I'll probably cop these. What size are they? Size 9. I don't know if that's in women's or what.
That's probably one.
They got the white ones too. I might make some planters out of these, baddish. Nah, these are in good condition. Someone can rock these. I'm gonna let someone throw them off feet. All right, the kids section. Too clutch, man. Love the child's room. You got a little Tweety hitting a full 50, 40, 30 yard dash.
958 world record!
What an athlete. Need it. Jeez, the electronics are booming. Buttons in my size.
You need that.
Hey, I don't need any bifocals for these, man.
You don't.
I can see this from a mile away. Let's go. Only $5 too? Man, you guys are coming through with the deals.
Hey, man.
What else? What else?
First ever Dell.
Wow, that's an original right there, Daddy. Oh, that mercy. This is what I love to see in every house, man. The crockpot dip master. You got too much dip and not enough chip.
Ho, brother. Whoa. Now, you got too much dip on your chip.
Oh man, dude, the backyard is complete with a lovely little play set. Hey man, I think I might need to go ahead and cop that, Daddy. No, but I'm out here because they have a ton of gardening equipment. You guys know I got the second channel, Paul Plant 2. Y'all know it's that season. And they have a bunch of big pots.
Smoke weed every day.
Let's see what they got. I might have to get that $12 one. That one's pretty nice. Nice glaze on it, you heard? And all right, guys, we're in and we are out, baby. Look at this, big bag full of stuff. I got a pair of small destroyed Air Maxes for children that I'm gonna turn into some planters. Of course, I got the Tweety for how much? $7. And then it's always good to see that even though I didn't get the vintage Houston Rockets snapback, it went to a good home in the homie Ace. So yeah, it's always cool seeing my friends at these sales too, and just knowing that the loot is going to people who appreciate, you hear me? But anyways, man, I think we're gonna proceed to yet another one. I grabbed the denim jacket too. Let me show you guys that and the Air Maxes real quick, okay? For sure. All right, guys, so here's the denim jacket I was referring to, the Reed Tool Company. Vintage and makes sense, man. I might work for them. Low-key, sometimes I am a tool. It was the past, though. We're in the present. It is what it is, man. Sorry to all my exes. Anyways, look at these beautiful Air Maxes. I'm going to turn these into some custom shoe planters. They do have a very destroyed toe cap, which is sad because they are my size, my guys. And then the Polo Ralph Lauren skull cap for adults, multicolored horseman. And then, of course, the Nike windbreaker and the Air Max 95s and the nice Volt green. These are nuts in great condition. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean them up a little bit on the suede of the inside, and then I'll pass them on to you guys. If y'all want them, thrifttimevintage.com. Also, I want to shout out the people who do the estate sale. Two Moms, man. Two Moms estate sales. If you guys are in Houston, Texas, pull up on them. Great people, great vibes. And also, I already have a mother, so low key, it's like I got 3 moms now. You heard me?
All 3 of y'all.
All right, guys, so we're at the next estate sale, dude. And I'm pretty sure they put the wrong address because I pulled up to some address and there was no estate sale there. And I just kept driving around, followed the signs like the breadcrumbs, Hansel and Gretel status, and thus here we are. And speaking of Hansel and Gretel, this house looks straight medieval, bro. Look at those shutters. Hold on, I don't even know if you guys can see that. Dude, look at those shutters. Hurricane proof. I also like the font. It's a nice choice. All right, let's get in there.
Oh, what also is a nice choice is the voiceover. Look how classy. Look at those curtains, the couch, and even the pink tablecloth. And forget about a cell phone. Our phones are sterling silver with ivory hits. Oh, a classic.
All I could find in this wondrous house was this one piece of merch, the Roadkill Cafe Tea. RIP to the armadillo, but that looks like some good eating. The bar and grill got the full menu on the back. Armadillo pot pie, what you mean? Shake and bake snake and hill kebab. Come on, man, thing is looking delicious. And the price though, super low. But what's even cooler though is I could tell this person had an insane backyard, got the fountain, got the new child. I don't know about all that, but they also have the passion flower vine, native to Houston, Texas. Look at that flower structure. I might have to take a cutting of this if I can get permission and then grow it at home, because this looks absolutely astounding. All right. So we just jumped out of there, guys. Oh man, the lady blessed me with this passion fruit vine, which is really cool. The house was super cool on the inside. It really had a medieval fancy vibe. I'm talking about, it had like old sterling silver phones and nice couches and woodwork and all this stuff, so it was cool. And what's even better, my guys, is I managed to pull another piece in there, this Christian Dior jacket right here. Oh, Christian Dior, monsieur. It has a slight little uncrustable stain on it right there. Some peanut butter and jelly just fumbled on the garment fabric, but it's in a nice Raiders colorway, which I like. Nice little gray scale. And yeah, overall, I'm pretty satisfied, man. I can't wait to watch this dude grow up. Anyways, let's go on to yet another one. Let's thread the needle, baby. Thread the needle. Oh, threaded it. All right, guys, so we just pulled up to the next spot. Look at the chariot though, looking lovely, looking like it's ready to haul off a bunch of stuff. Now, I saw this place had a lot of gardening, like pots and equipment and statues and things like that. So hopefully I can get some more stuff for the yard and some clothes along the way. Let's get over there. All right. Guys, we're in another one. They have amazing curlers, which I might have to use, get the perm going on. And then look at this shirt. It breaks down the fecal pattern of different bird species. What on earth? This looks like a paintball event that just went hella wild, except instead of paintballs, it was straight bird shit, okay? This is awesome. And then there were some hats that I saw when I walked in. You got the puma, the cougar, the amazing forest green crocodile hunter steezed out hat. Really nice. Another one, Jameson Irish whiskey with the back hit. That is nice. Rainforest Cafe with the animals. And this amazing South Africa two-toned hat with the beautiful filigreed mirrors, the chandeliers. What a vibe. What a vibe up in here, man. Look at these shorts too. These might be women's, but I can make an exception. Oh man, bought a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet? The Houston, Texas? Oh bro, you got the NASA tee. Need it. And this mirror, my size? Bro, if I was built like a G.I. Joe, this would be a full fit mirror. Nice. Dude, the furniture in here, the furniture is unreal. Look at that. Oh my goodness. $45 for the very clean ottoman. The color is awesome. The chair is only $65. What? Hold on, I gotta test the comfort. Unreal. Oh, unreal. Hold on, ottoman. Oh my God, my ankles never felt anything better than this leather. Oh, yes. All right, dude. Shout out to homie Ash, man. Just through the alley, and I hopefully will dunk it. I was like, I don't know what the price on this vintage Goodyear piece will be. And he said, hopefully, $7. You know what time it is, bro? Also, this whole chair looks like it's made of Muppets or something. Like the texture is just crazy on it. But yeah, a little side pocket, narcotics. Okay, got a nice little hit on the zip. We'll see what they are asking for this, dude. But yeah, we got a little pile of clothes. Nice prom dress. I think I could slide into something like that. Get a little sensual for you guys, maybe, possibly. No? Okay, I won't. But yeah, dude, this house is pretty cool, man. A lot of old stuff. A lot of unique items, and that's what I like. Like, look at this dress. Stop it. Dude, check these out too. They got the vintage suitcases, the luggage, one for 12, one for 10. These are actually nice. A clean color scheme, and they're not too expensive. Super clean for the interior decor. I have a million suitcases, so despite the fact that I like the price and I think I need them, I really don't. So sick though. Oh my God, not only is the wall wood grain, but look at the telecommunication system in the house. There's no way you can say, oh mom, I didn't hear you. Oh mom, I'm sorry, I'm upstairs. I'm not sweeping the floor. Bruh, no excuses. This thing is essential for enslaving your children, man. No chore will be left undone. That's nice. And look at the texture too. Again, unreal.
Oh, unreal.
Oh, but the custom though. Straight what? Drippin'.
Drippin', drippin'.
What is going on with this? And it has a nice little John Hancock signature acid wash denim. Hold on, what's on the back? What's on the back? Bruh. Big puff paint designs. That's what I'm talking about. Yo, I might have to, man. A man, a woman, a child, bruh, anything could rock this. It's nice. All right, you guys know me. I stay looking for stuff for the garden as well. So I'm buying all of the pots, and I'm actually very excited about this one because this has the only native palm to Texas, which is the sable palmetto, but this is actually the sable minor. So it's the junior, and it grows in full shade. And see, that's why you guys got to follow my Plant 2 channel, bro. I'll break it down, but shoot, y'all already on here, so I might as well break it down on here too. This is what it'll end up looking like, man. They don't sell these at nurseries. I don't know why. They grow everywhere in the wild. So yes, I got the little baby, but eventually he'll look this freaking good, all right? And look, this is like in a fully shaded area, so gotta grab that dude. Yeah, man, steals and deals all around. All right, guys, we're out of the estate sale. Yes, yes, sir, indeed. My hands are full of fire. The clothes weren't that insane, but the Goodyear jacket was like $5. The denim jacket, $5. The t-shirt's a couple bucks. I love it. Now I'm about to pull up my van, get all the stuff for the garden, and yeah, I'm gonna be set for some planting today. Man, what a great day, man. Fuck yeah, Dad. Fuck yeah, Dad. And all right, we've made it home, and guys, look at the absurdity that's going on in the back of my van. I didn't even show this off, I don't know how, for $37. I'm not even joking, that was the price I negotiated. It was like $40, but the $3 savings are just too clutch to pass up. You have the koala fountain. So yeah, this is like a water fountain of some sort. Absolutely amazing. It can be like a bird bath. My dogs can drink out of it. I don't even know. I also got this amazing like witch's cauldron shaped pot, the sable palm. And then I got all of these pots that I'm gonna just throw in a bunch of edible plants into, my guys. Are you kidding me? And then check this one out. This is the pot that I got the previous estate sale, $12 glossed up, and I'm gonna throw in this pineapple guava. Yes, a nice beautimous tropical plant. Get some fruit off of it, and I think overall just have a great time putting it in my mouth. It gets a little too cold for this dude to be planted in the ground, so I'm gonna throw it in the pot. Now as for the passion flower vine, all I had to do with this dude was chop off all of the leaves, creating a very bare stem. Then I cut the stem up into 2 parts. Then I just threw in some potting soil, all nice and deep, like into these little planter containers. Then I just stuck in the stems below the nodes. That's like where the leaves come out of, and then where the roots will come out of. All right, then I watered them in, and in a few months, maybe a couple weeks, hopefully I'll have these dudes rooted and in the ground. Y'all like that? A little bit of that gardening action, baby? Yes, sir, indeed, Leo. So yeah, hopefully y'all did enjoy today's video. This was just a day in the life type of shit, you feel me? Where I just got to enjoy doing what I love, going to estate sales, gardening, grabbing cool stuff, talking to people, chopping it up, and looking at awesome old school furniture and interior decor. And that's why I like hitting these estate sales, bruh. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this process, please smash the like button. Again, you guys' support really does help me live the life I live, man, and just follow my passion and my dreams. Again, check out the second channel if you guys like plant content, Paul Plant 2. And if you guys want any vintage clothes, then check out my website, thriftheavenvintage.com if you want to. If you don't, that's cool. If you do, freaking love ya. Anyways, live the dream, eat that ice cream. Until next time, I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.